Ka Sorkar jela hak si baar kalong bahadu menta nakaliang ke BJP keempat ujur satya halo kata ke jinglap bakadon ke kambam sam. Ka Sorkar jela hak si baar kalong bahadu menta nakaliang ke BJP keempat ujur satya halo kata ke jinglap badon ke bamsap ke basir kai ba hak district council kabadon hak jela. Habakran begilat thai kubor usumbur mitrak ba ke jela wa purstun tensong ulong ba nakaliang Sorkar kam TBA bakadon kum kita Henry Kilasui tang hakikot kubor ya kita ke jingkeno. Shushu ulong ru bawat nakaliang menteri ketenat district council aferu uladep penpau bo TBA bat bo uklempat yo satya kanu ke jing ujo na ke BJP halo kate ke jing keno bamsam haba kelipat lak Sorkar ke priang dem bantung da ke jing tok CVI kumbal ke da ke BJP na kaliang jong umsim latre satya banong iye.
This council and state government is totally different entity. What? And as per the Constitution of India, this council is being guided by the sixth schedule, okay? And the state government is being guided by the Constitution of India. So we have totally different entity altogether. So I have nothing more to comment on that. Any partners, any political parties who are part and parcel of MDA government, they have every right to, to highlight. And number two, maybe to also request any concerned authority to look into the complaint or the grievances found out by the concerned political party. We don't have any problem on that. Well, of course, that is unfortunate. It has not come to the coordination committee because we do have coordination committee of all the political parties under the MDA government, and the chief minister is the chairman of the committee, and all the president or secretary of each party, they are members in the coordination committee. Of course, it has not been brought to the coordination committee as far as this particular issue is concerned. Well, in fact, I wish that they should have done that. I wish they should have done that. If that was there, I'm telling you, I don't think I'll be, I don't think I'll have any problem. Because as I said to you, in fact, discussion has to take place. Not necessarily that we just go to press or we just go to newspapers. I think we need to discuss, and especially since you said you found out that a lot of misuse of funds taken place. I think this is very serious issue. It's very serious. So we need to at least discuss these issues in the coordination committee, because the coordination committee was there right from day one itself of the MDA government. I have not seen, I asked the other day even from DCA minister whether any formal complaint or any formal communication made to the office of the DCA minister. He said nothing of that sort was there. So it is still in the air.